Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Chatflow. In this video, we are going to learn how to automate client information collection for law firms via WhatsApp. For example, you are running a law firm and you got many queries from your users regarding the legal consultation, information regarding the lawyer, etc. Responding each and every user manually is a time-consuming, also a very confusing task. To get rid of this type of problems, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot that will create it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, so that whenever your users send a message to your WhatsApp business account, then your bot will respond to them automatically. To get more details about this, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. Before starting the video of creating a WhatsApp chatbot that will automate client information collection for law firm, let me give you a quick overview of how this bot will work and how this bot will respond to your users instantly. By sending a message to my WhatsApp business account of law firm, here I am sending a message as legal consultation. Immediately you can see the bot will respond to me like this, that please select the legal service you need, while providing me one open list option. If I click on this, then you can see it will provide me multiple types of services, that is family law, criminal law and real estate law. Let's say I'll choose this family law. After that, you can see the bot will ask me for my full name. So here I am sharing my full name as test user. After that, you can see the bot will ask me to provide a contact number for consultation confirmation. So here I am sharing one test contact number. Here I shared. Then you can see the bot will respond to me like this, that is, thank you test user, your consultation is confirmed for family law. Please make the payment here to finalize your appointment, while providing me one payment link. You can see the bot will respond to me by my name that I have given here and also mention the legal service that I have shared. This bot will automatically collect all client information regarding law firm via WhatsApp. This WhatsApp chatbot will automatically respond to your clients and collect essential information without any manual effort, saving your valuable time. So if you are interested in creating this type of WhatsApp chatbot for your law firm business, then you have to follow step-by-step direction that I am giving you in this video. So let's get started. At first, you have to click on a new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. So here you are landed on the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool that's enable you to automate WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 by creating multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot for your different type of businesses. Now I'll give you a quick overview of Pabbly community. So this is right over here is Pabbly community. It is a special space where all users of Pabbly, whether beginner or experts, come together to ask questions, share ideas and help each other. If you are stuck anywhere while using Pabbly, you can post your doubt here and other users or even the Pabbly team might help you out. You will also find useful tips, updates and example for real user. So it's a great place to learn and connect with others who are using Pabbly just like you. So if you want to join this amazing community, then I'll provide the link of this community in the description box. You can check out. Now we will get back to our Pabbly. So here on the right hand side you can see two options are there. The one is sign in and another is sign up option. If you are a new user, then you can click on the sign up option to create your account and get 100 free credits to explore the software. If you are an existing user, then you can click on sign in option. Since I am an existing user, so I'll go ahead and click on the sign in option. So here you can see these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their users. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so I am going in this Pabbly Chatflow box by clicking Access Now button. Here you can see this is the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, where you can add and manage all your WhatsApp number in one place, where you can see your credits allotted, your credits consumed, your credits remaining and the WhatsApp number added. If you want to add a new WhatsApp number into your Pabbly Chatflow account, then you have to click on this plus add WhatsApp number button. If you click on this, then you can see it will provide you two options, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. WhatsApp Connect might use for scanning a QR code or WhatsApp number integration. The second one is the Manual Token Connect. If you click on this, then you can see it will ask you for the Meta Access token that you can generate from your Facebook Meta account for developer. Now in this section you can create multiple folders into your Pabbly Chatflow account, while in this home section you can see the status of your WhatsApp number that were added into your Pabbly Chatflow account. If you want a detailed video of how to add WhatsApp number into your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. Here on the left hand side you can see the different features of Pabbly Chatflow, where the first is the inbox, in where you can see and manage all of your WhatsApp conversation in one place. The next one is the contacts. Contacts lets you view, manage and organize your customer contact detail. The third one is the team queues. Team queues help you assign chats to different team members for better handling. The next one is the template, is where you can create and manage pre-approved WhatsApp message templates. The next one is the broadcast. It is used for sending bulk messages to multiple users at once. The next one is the flow, where you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Flow Builder. The next one is AI Assistant, in where you can train your AI assistant with knowledge base to answer common questions. The next one is the activity log, where you can see the complete history of actions and messages that occurs within the last 7 days. The next one is the settings, in where you can customize your account preferences and configuration. And the last one is the get help, which provide access to support, tutorials and community assistant when needed. If you want a detailed explanation of these features, then we have created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so I am clicking on this flow option. So this is the Flow Builder page, where you can create and manage static chatbots seamlessly using a no-code, user-friendly drag and drop builder. Here you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot for your different type of businesses. It will create it without requiring any programming skills. As we are creating a new WhatsApp chatbot, so I am going to click on this plus add flow button. So this is the starting point of creating our WhatsApp chatbot, in where at first you have to select the trigger event. When you click on it, it will provide you multiple trigger event to start your flow. That is keyword/regex, user starts conversation, template selected, WhatsApp template delivered, contact added to contact list, custom field updated, contact's birthday and tag assigned. It is coming soon. I am creating this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of keywords. So here I am selecting this. But before starting the creation of our chatbot, you have to provide the name to your bot that what you are creating. So here I am providing a name. Here I provided, that is automate client information collection for law firms via WhatsApp. After that, now I'll give you a quick overview of these two options, messages and actions. Under the messages, you can see different buttons are there, as well as under the actions, you can see different buttons are there. We will use these buttons in the creation of our flow. Here on the right hand side, you can see two options are there. The one is active inactive button and another is save button. With the help of this button, your flow will be updated. Now let's get started. I am creating this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of keywords. Keywords are those manually entered words that I expect that my user sends to me. And the next one is the regex. Regex stands for regular expression. It can extract useful data from inputs such as email, phone number, order number, etc. You can also enable this toggle if you want to activate some specific feature or behavior into your chatbot. Here I am going with keywords. So I am writing the first keyword as legal consultation. After writing this, you have to press enter so that this will add it into a list. Here I am writing two more keywords, lawyer inquiry and consult with lawyer. Here I added only 3 keywords. You can also add multiple. After that, whenever my user will send any of this keyword to my WhatsApp business account of law firm, then my bot will automatically get triggered and response to them. For that, I am taking one list button. I'll drag this box here. Here you can see this list box is divided into 3 parts, that is header, body and footer. In this case, I don't want to write any header, so I am leaving this blank. After that, directly I am going to enter the body. Here I write, that is, please select the legal service you need. You can see I write this asterisk symbol because with the help of this symbol, this message will deliver to my user in the bold format. After that, the next one is the footer. It is an also not required field, so I am leaving this blank. After that, I am clicking on this add section button. You can see it will provide me one box inside it while giving giving me one section title box. So here I am writing the section title as legal service. Here I write, after that I am going to add some legal service. For that I am clicking on this plus add items button. It will again provide me one box inside it where I am going to write the title as well as their description. Here I am only entering title. The first title I write as family law. After that I don't want to write any description, so I am leaving this blank. Then I am going to add two more legal services. For that I am again clicking on this plus add items button. The process of adding items into the list would be the same. Here I added, that is criminal law and real estate law. After that I am going to connect my starting point to my list. For that I am clicking on this circle, drag a line and connect this line to this circle. Here my trigger point is connected to my list message, as whenever my user will send any of this keyword to my WhatsApp business account, then my bot will instantly provide them the list of the legal services. After that, whenever my user will choose this service, that is family law, then my bot will respond to them. For that, I'm clicking on this action option and take button as set custom field. Explain you why we use this contact custom field button. We use contact custom field in the creation of WhatsApp chatbot in Pabbly Chatflow to store and personalize user specific data during a conversation. These custom fields allow the bot to dynamically remember, access and reuse important details collected from the user. Here I am going to select my contact custom field as legal service. I already created this contact custom field before. Now I'll show you how you can create this contact custom field. For that, you have to click on the setting option and go in this contact custom field option. So this is right over here is the contact custom field page in where you can create multiple types of contact custom field for your different type of users. So here I already created this contact custom field by the name of legal service. If you want to add new, then you can click on this plus add more field button. It will provide you one box where you can write the field name as well as the description of the field. After that, you have to click on this button, save button. As I already created this field before, so I am not adding more. Now we will get back to our flow. So here I selected the contact custom field as legal service. After that, in this enter value box, I am going to write this, that is family law. I have created this contact custom field specifically for family law. For both of these, I will create separate custom fields accordingly. After that, I am going to connect this circle to this message. Then for the criminal law, I am again taking one set custom field button, drag this box here where I am going to select the contact custom field as legal service. We can use the same custom field for all three services as it will enable dynamic responses based on the user selection. When a user click any of the legal services, the bot will capture their choice and at the end of the conversation, it will respond by mentioning the specific service that user selected. After that, in this enter value box, I am going to write the same, that is criminal law. Here I provided. After that, I am connecting this circle to this message. Now at the last, for this also I am creating the same custom field. Here I added. After that, I am connecting this circle to this message. Connection plays major role. You have to make sure that each and every node will connect with each other. Now, whenever my user will select any of this legal service, then my bot will ask them about their full name. For that, I am taking one ask a question button. It will provide me one question box. I'll drag this box here and writing a question as, what's your full name? For that, I'm selecting the contact custom field as full name. After that, the format I'll select as text. Number of attempt I'll give as 1. And if you want to write any validation message for your users, then you can write in this box. After that, I'm connecting all these three circles to this message because whenever my user will select any of this legal service, then at first my bot will ask them about their full name. Then after this step, I want to know the contact details of my user. For that, I'm again taking one ask a question button, drag this box here and writing a message as, what's your contact number for consultation confirmation? For that, I'm selecting the contact custom field as contact number. After that, the format I'll select as any. After that, I am connecting this circle to this message where it is connected. Now, whenever my user will provide me their full name, then the contact number. After that, I want to set one tag. For that, I am taking one add tag button, drag this box here. Here I am going to use this add tag because in Pabbly Chatflow, the add tag action is used to categorize, track and segment your contact based on their interaction with chatbot. It helps you to identify what kind of service or intent the user had and makes future automation or communication easier and more targeted. After that, I am going to select the tag as legal consultation. I already created this tag before. You can create a tag by clicking on this create tag button and provide the name of the tag, and after that click on this add tag button so that your tag will be automatically added to your Pabbly chart flow. After that, I am going to connect this circle to this message. Here it is connected. Now, after this step, at last, I want to write one confirmation message for my users. For that, I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one box where I am going to write my respond message. Here I write that is thank you with dollar symbol full name. You can see I'll use this dollar symbol here because with the help of this symbol, my bot will respond to my user by their name. This symbol will make the custom field dynamic before legal service also. After that, now our flow is completed. So basically this is the final look of our automated WhatsApp chatbot that designs for law firms. This bot instantly responds to users on WhatsApp without any manual effort, collecting their legal information and guiding them through the process based on their selected service. After the completion of your flow, you have to click on this button, save button, so that your flow will be updated. This bot will automatically respond to your users like this. It will share all the legal services you are offering, collect their information, also provide the payment link. And the best part is this bot is created without requiring any coding or programming skills. It is only possible with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. So go and create your first WhatsApp chatbot for free.